it's me, Melanie. Today I am going to show you fidget spinners. So I like a marble one. So you have to say hi to Melanie, don't forget, again. Oh, hey guys, my name is Melanie, and for today, welcome to my channel. For today, I don't feel good, guys, so my stomach's kind of hurting a lot. And anyways, I am going to do a video about a fidget spinner. So, I got Hello Kitty. That was a new one. Marbles. I got a blue one, and I got a match. These two, that one's a regular one, and this one's a new one. So these three are new. So that one's new, that one's new, and this one's new. It's Hello Kitty. So we're gonna do a fidget spinner challenge. So we have to count. So have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I got 6. So, which one I am going to start with the fidget spinner challenge is Hello Kitty and the black one. Okay, we're going to do a challenge. Okay. It's too noisy! Maybe the Hello Kitty or the black one's gonna win, guys. Maybe. That one won. That one's gonna stop later. That one stopped. Let me hold the camera. See? That one stopped, and that one's a winner. Oh no, Hello Kitty, I think you have to go more faster. But that one's already fast. So Hello Kitty. Okay, now these two are done. Now, I'm going to start with the purple and this fidget spinner. Okay, let's go. Too noisy. Maybe that one's gonna win, see? That one's gonna lose. No, that one lost. That one win, I guess. Maybe they're gonna tie. Please tie. Yep. They definitely tie, guys. So these tied. I don't know which one's the winner. Now I'm gonna try the matches. I should not try the matches. Okay. Ready, set, go. Okay, let me try again. Maybe that one's gonna lost and this one's gonna win. That one already lost. That one won, I guess. Sorry, blue one. You lost. Mine won. That one's my favorite, the red one. And what's yours favorite? The blue one or the red one? Okay, so now we're going to do all together. I don't know if it's going to fit in my phone in the camera. So I'm going to do that. So we're going to get the one, so I'm going to get this one. So we're going to do 3. See? 3. So I'm going to do that, and you're going to do that. So ready, spin on? Let's do it. Whoa. That one's going to win. That one's going to win. I know that. Oh, that one lost. Every time the blue ones keep on losing. The blue one lost. Let's see these two. That one's gonna win. It is the blue one. Nope. They tied. See? They tied. But thanks for watching this kind of video, so bye!